Creating wealth from zero to $1 million is a journey that many aspire to but few actually achieve. The path is not straightforward, and it requires careful planning, relentless discipline, and, above all, a mindset that is capable of overcoming adversity and making smart financial decisions. But is it possible? Can anyone, with the right knowledge and strategy, achieve financial independence and reach the coveted $1 million mark, even if they start from scratch? What separates those who are truly wealthy from the rest of the people? Is it privilege? Is it intelligence? Is it luck? Or is something entirely different? If I tell you that some of the wealthiest people today once had nothing, overwhelmed with debts, and struggling to make a living, would you believe it? Oprah Winfrey grew up in poverty but transformed her life into one of the wealthiest individuals. How was she able to do it? The answer is, wealth is not about chasing money, it's about understanding the true value of leverage and energy. In this video, we will break down the process step by step, covering the crucial elements you need to know in order to build wealth from the ground up. Are you interested in this topic? If so, comment below. Wealth is about understanding the true value of leverage and energy, and I am becoming a millionaire soon. If you like to support the channel, leave a like and subscribe. It takes only a few seconds and it helps the channel a lot. Now that you have commented and subscribed, let's continue with our topic. We will explore mindset shifts, investment strategies, business opportunities, and the habits that successful wealth builders cultivate to achieve extraordinary financial success. So, if you're wondering, can I really build wealth from zero? The answer is a resounding yes, but it requires a plan, commitment, and action. Number 1. Understanding wealth creation. The first thing to recognize is that wealth creation isn't just about accumulating money, it's about building assets that generate income over time. Whether that's through investing in the stock market, real estate, starting a business, or a combination of these, wealth is built by turning your income into investments and reinvesting the returns. But how do you begin? The answer lies in understanding that wealth is not achieved overnight. Instead, it's the result of long-term strategic efforts. What can we do today to set ourselves up for success tomorrow? The most important factor is having a clear goal and vision for your financial future. Number 2. Developing the right mindset. Before embarking on any wealth-building strategy, you must first cultivate the right mindset. Ask yourself, what do I believe about money? Do I think it's something that's hard to come by, or do I believe it's possible to create wealth with the right tools and knowledge? Your mindset will shape the way you approach wealth building and determine your chances of success. Successful people share one key trait. They are relentless in their pursuit of wealth, and they view failure as a stepping stone rather than a setback. When you start with nothing, you have to be resourceful. You need to have the mindset of a creator, not a consumer. This means focusing on how you can produce more value and seeking opportunities rather than waiting for them to appear. Do you think your circumstances dictate your potential? Wealth is not about where you start, it's about what you do once you start. Number 3. Getting financially educated. One of the most significant barriers to wealth creation is a lack of financial knowledge. How many people do you know who are unaware of how money works? Financial education isn't just about learning how to budget or save. It's about understanding the principles of investing, managing debt, and building financial independence. To create wealth, you need to become financially literate. There are many free and low-cost resources available to help you get started. Books, podcasts, online courses, blogs, and seminars. Have you ever taken the time to read a book about personal finance? If not, it might be time to start. The more you understand about money, the more effective your wealth-building strategies will be. Number 4. Setting clear financial goals. In order to create wealth, you must set clear and measurable financial goals. This isn't just about saying, I want to be a millionaire. That's vague. Instead, you need to define specific targets, such as save $10,000 in the next year, invest $500 a month in stocks or real estate, launch a side business by the end of the next quarter. The goal of reaching $1 million must be broken down into smaller, achievable steps. But have you thought about how you will track your progress along the way? Successful people don't just set goals, they measure and adjust their actions based on whether they are on track. Number 5. Start by building strong financial habits. Building wealth is all about habits. What are your financial habits like right now? Are you saving a portion of your income regularly? Are you budgeting effectively? Do you track your expenses? To move from zero to $1 million, you must focus on developing strong financial habits. Start small, but be consistent. Here are a few tips to begin with. Pay yourself first. Save a percentage of your income before spending on anything else. Leave below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation, even when your income increases. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. These simple actions can go a long way in ensuring that your financial foundation is solid as you begin your wealth building journey. Number 6. Managing debt wisely. Debt can be a powerful tool if used correctly, but it can also be a massive hindrance if mismanaged. Do you have debt? How are you handling it? The key to managing debt is ensuring that you are not taking on high-interest debt that hinders your ability to save and invest. You should aim to pay off high-interest debts, such as credit cards, as quickly as possible. On the other hand, consider using low-interest debt, like a mortgage or business loan, to leverage your investments in real estate or business ventures. Remember, not all debt is bad, but are you in control of your debt, or is your debt controlling you? Understanding the difference can make or break your wealth building efforts. Number 7. Building multiple streams of income. Once your financial house is in order, the next step is to find ways to increase your income. Why rely on just one source of income? The most successful people often have multiple streams of income coming from different sources. These could include a side business or freelance work, passive income from investments, stocks, bonds, real estate, royalties or licensing income from intellectual property, a second job or part-time work. Building multiple streams of income allows you to hedge against economic downturns and increases the speed at which you can accumulate wealth. Can you think of ways to diversify your income sources? Number 8. Smart investing. Putting your money to work. Now, this is where the magic happens. Do you want your money to work for you, or do you want to continue working for money? Investing is the key to growing your wealth over time. Here are some basic investment strategies. Stock market. Investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds is one of the most common ways to build wealth. Over time, the stock market generally provides returns of 7 to 10% per year, which compounds and grows your wealth. Real estate. Real estate investments can provide both cash flow and appreciation over time. Buying rental properties, flipping homes, or investing in real estate investment trusts (REITs) can all be viable options. Businesses and startups. Many self-made millionaires build wealth through entrepreneurship. Starting your own business or investing in a startup can offer high returns, but it also comes with more risk. Cryptocurrency and alternative investments. In recent years, cryptocurrency and other alternative investments have gained popularity. These assets can be volatile, but with the right knowledge, they can provide incredible returns. The key is to start early and reinvest your returns. Are you willing to take on some risk in order to grow your wealth faster? Diversifying your investments is essential to creating wealth. Number 9. Scaling your business. As you build your wealth, starting a business can be one of the most effective ways to accelerate your progress. What is the best business idea for you? This depends on your skills, interests, and resources. The opportunities are endless. E-commerce, digital marketing, content creation, blogging, YouTube, and others. Consulting, app development, franchise ownership. If you're starting from zero, it's best to begin with something that requires minimal upfront investment but offers the potential for growth. How can you use your skills and passions to solve a problem in the market? Number 10. Mastering the art of networking. Networking is an often overlooked aspect of wealth building. Who do you know? The relationships you build over time can significantly impact your financial journey. Networking gives you access to new opportunities, partnerships, and investors. Invest time in building genuine relationships with like-minded individuals, mentors, and industry experts. Attending conferences, joining entrepreneurial groups, and leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn can help you meet people who can accelerate your journey to $1 million. Number 11. Staying disciplined and focused. Wealth building requires discipline. There will be temptations along the way, and distractions can derail your progress. How determined are you to stick to your plan, even when things get tough? The most successful people are those who stay focused on their long-term goals. They understand that setbacks and obstacles are part of the journey. The key is to keep moving forward, no matter what. Number 12. Time is your greatest ally. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Are you willing to play the long game? The power of compounding returns can turn modest investments into substantial wealth over time. The earlier you start, the greater your chance of reaching that $1 million mark. Time is the one resource that, when leveraged correctly, can transform your financial future. Don't waste time. Start taking action today, no matter how small the steps may seem. Can you do it? Absolutely. Anyone, regardless of their starting point, can build wealth and become a millionaire. It requires financial literacy, discipline, strategic investing, and a willingness to take risks. Most importantly, it requires the right mindset, one that believes in the possibility of wealth and the power of persistence. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Do you have the drive and commitment to make your dream of becoming a millionaire a reality? The journey from zero to $1 million won't be easy, but with the right strategies, knowledge, and actions, it's more than possible. Now it's time to begin. What will your first step be?